In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Tasks or integrations. So Google Tasks is simply a yet powerful tool for managing your to-do list. So for using the Google Tasks, you can be able to create a task, you can be able to organize tasks. Then when it comes to the integrations, I think there are different integrations for this. So I think the very first one is Google Calendar. So this is Google Calendar. The tasks appears in the tasks tab here in Calendar. You can also view deadlines alongside events. So the next integration I think is the Gmail. Then the next one is the Google Keep. So this one is the Google Keep. So Google Keep converts notes to tasks. In Keep, you can be able to add up tasks on a note. Then for I think for the rest, I think there are two. They have Zapier as well for automations and integrations. So what I can be able to say is that for you to be able to access this, you need to download the Google Tasks. You need to download the Google Keep here on your device. And you can also assign tasks to teammates with Google Workspace as well if you're looking to do collaborations. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe.